Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and today we have a new Dollar Tree video to share with you guys to see what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This is for Friday, May the 17th, 2024. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have subscribed already, please make sure you're still subscribed and hit that notification bell. A few people have told me they've been unsubscribed and they're not being notified when new videos come out, so please check that out. Now let's go shopping. Over in Apparel and Accessories, we've got these new Jolly Ranchers socks in a 2-pack. You get shoe size 6 to 12 is which they fit. We've got the lemon Jolly Rancher with the bright yellow, and then there's the solid blue with the little Jolly Ranchers all over the sock. Then we've got these Hanes massaging foot covers with the silicone heel. You get 2 pair, fit shoe size 9 to 12. And they had the SKU number on the back from CVS. They tried to black it out, but it's still visible. So I looked them up online. They're $5.79 still at CVS. So a great buy for $1.25. There's also the leg sheer energy compression tights with light leg support and a control top in the color suntan. I looked these up online and you can get them still at the store as well. Lots of stores carry them like Walmart, Target, CVS, and Walgreens. Right now they're on sale for about $4.19 a pair online. There's also the Juncture tote bags that are solid white. You could decorate these if you like. They're 14 by 15 inches. Now over for the arts and crafts. Last week I showed you guys they had these new DIY wood cutouts. They're quite large. They're about 5 by 7 size if you kind of think about that size of a picture frame. These all you've seen last week with like the rose. There's a bee, a paw print, a butterfly, and a basketball. And then I found one more this week that I didn't see last week, so I wanted you guys to see that one as well. And it is the tennis ball. And those all have that 3D style effect with the layered wood. There's also these large DIY signs that say home is where the herd is, heifer please. They also have this one with the pig and the rooster on the front. It says wakey wakey eggs and bakey, and then farm life. And those also are the 3D style DIY wood pieces. We've got the doll wood pegs, the parents and the 2 kids, I believe is what this one's supposed to be. And then the wood peg doll in the 5-pack. Those are a little bit smaller. And then we've got a larger pack and a 4-pack. There's 4 in that one. And I try to put them side by side, the 5 and the 4, so you guys can see the difference in sizes. I hope that's visible. We also have some new acrylic paint and some really fun summer colors. We've got rouge, which is like a really pretty melon color. They have pink, and then there's the cantaloupe, which is orange, lemon yellow, light green, and we've also got the aqua and lavender. And then I found these DIY acrylic boards. They are 4 centimeters thick and they're an 8 by 10. So right now that's got like a film over both sides. That was a great buy for $1.25. We've also got more of the ceramic vases without a finish, so you can use the new ceramic paints on them. I found quite a few new vases that they have out in different styles. So those are fun. We have the Premier Just Chanel yarn. Someone asked me to slow down and let you guys see the tag a little bit better. So I took a really good, clear, I'm hoping, picture of the tag so you guys can see the weight of these different yarns that I'm going to show you guys. If you need to see it a little bit better, just go ahead and pause the video. But these are all the Chanel colors that I found this week for the restock. And then this is the Yarn Fills Worsted Moyen for crafters. You get 100% acrylic. It says 109 yards. And here is a view. It's 50 grams. I hope you guys can see the tags okay. So all the ones you're seeing right now are the same weight and size as that one I just showed you with the tag. They have like the denim tweed. There's white, copper, marigold, rose, and a lavender. They have a royal purple. I tried to show all the colors I could find. And then this one's a little bit different. It's a lot thinner and really soft. And here's the tag. It's 2.1 ounces. And you could get that in the light blue. They have it in the purple. A yellow. It looks more yellow in person. On camera, it kind of looks off-white. They also have white, navy blue, and pink. That's all the new yarn this week. The baby and toddler aisle. We have these fun little baby booties with the teddy bears. And I love the booties with the rattles on the feet. They restocked the basketballs and the princess crowns. And then there's the waterproof bibs, which have been restocked. Some of them have a tie back. Some of them are Velcro. It's kind of hit or miss which one it has on the back. It's kind of odd that they carry them 2 different ways, but they've got the unicorn, the whale, and the dinosaur. Some new pacifier holders that helps hold like teethers and passies. And then the health and beauty aisle, we're going to first start with the cosmetics this week. They have some new nails out. They brought back some more of the Pretty Woman faux nails. You get 24 nails plus the bottle of glue. And it is a pink nail glue. We've also got this matte coffin nails in the pink, purple, and white. You get 12 pieces in this pack, and you do need to purchase glue for the ones in the pink boxes as long as they don't say press on. There's a bunch of other designs. I'm just going to show those few this week. We've got the Perfect Pear Nail Color and Lip Gloss by LA Colors. And you can also get the Perfect Pear Nail Color with the glitter. The hair care, lots of headbands this week. They had a ton of new headbands out. They either come in a 2-pack or a 3-pack. I'll let you know which ones are the 3-pack. But quite a few of them have a matte finish and then the glossy finish, like the zigzag pattern here in the black. I thought was really pretty. I really like the matte finish. They also have these interlocking hoops. There's a 2-pack there. I love the little combs on the underside so you can get them to stay in your hair a little bit better. Or you can get the glossy finish, and they have those in the brown and the black. And the loops are bigger at the top. As they get down to the side, they start to get smaller, especially like right behind the ear. Then we have the flat interlocking loops or chains. I love this woven pattern and these 2 thinner headbands here. And then this one here with the comb, they have the brown and black or the 2-pack of the matte finish in black. This is a 2-pack here of the flat interlocking loops. And those are in the glossy. They're a little bit more like ovals. They're a little bit different style than the last ones I showed. This 3-pack here, those are the really thin ones. They have 2 black and 1 brown and black. Or they have this 3-pack. You get like an off-white, white, and brown. And it has that mottled look with the black spots. Also, they have the Scunchie 100-piece hair accessory elastics. And the multicolor pack. I love that they come in those Ziploc bags that are hard plastic, but also with the keychain. So kids can put them like in their gym bags and things like that. We have the 6-pack of the ponytail holders in mint green and pink, and those are class free. The pharmacy and personal care items, I love these new loofahs they have out. They're a large sponge with the rainbow, and then it has the 2 loofahs on the bottom to look like clouds. I thought these were so cute. There's also a rope at the top so you can hang it to dry. The Extra Care Bikini Line razors in a 3-pack comes with aloe. It has the smaller head at the top there. And then we've got the Spa Luxury Super Smooth Shave Cream. We have the coconut cream and the vanilla lavender scent with the advanced moisturizing formula with shea butter and aloe. For fun finds this week, they have out a bunch of these stones. They're a nice smooth polished stone with the words engraved on the front in gold. We have love and strength, imagine. There's like believe, a whole bunch of different inspirational words. I also found these glow in the dark bracelets, which are the sensory bracelets with the little push pop there in the middle. For the home decor this week, lots of new candle holders. So we've seen these candle holders in the past. We've also seen these in years past. They have these, it seems like, forever. And now they have these new ones out, which I just love. This has like the hobnob pattern. I thought this was so pretty. They hold a tapier candle. They also have this fun striped pattern that goes down at an angle. I thought these were so pretty. You can get just a smooth finish in the all white. And then they have the stripes that go down. And then we've got the glossy candle holders in the off-white, black, gray, and white. They brought back the large aluminum flowers. There are 4 of them. They were just on a bottom shelf and they were layered between tissue paper. So we found them in all 4 colors that they had out probably about 2 or 3 weeks before Mother's Day. We showed these. There's purple, green, pink, and kind of like a bluish gray color. For the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section, a whole bunch of new books. They had just tons of new books out this week. There's also the Jot sticky notes. You get 11 different sizes of sticky notes in this large pad with fun different decorations. I found a few different packs of those. And then the note list pad, it's got the larger section at the top and the 2 post-it notes down at the bottom with the perforated edge. You can tear them off easily. We've also got more of these metal boxes that you can use as like a pencil case. Lots of things you could do with these. You could organize craft supplies. You could even put them in a lunchbox to hold like straws, napkins, and silverware. So I thought those are really cute. I love that they have the decoration on both sides and they're a little bit different. It's not the same all the way around. But these were the Minnie Mouse ones. We've seen Mickey Mouse and a couple other movie themes recently. And then I found these new art smocks. I thought these were really fun. The teaching tree section, they go on and close in the back. It has the long sleeves and a pocket in the front. And they have them in yellow and blue and red and blue. And they're 22 inches by 16. And now for the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization. This week we have these lanterns. They run on batteries. You do have to purchase batteries, but I like that the front has a knob that you can turn it up or down so you don't have to, have it super, super bright. There's the battery door on the bottom. I think it takes the double A's. They brought back more of the mini umbrellas. They have them in the blue and in the black. And then the garbage cans in blue, black, yellow, green, and red. I also found these neat concentrated bleach tablets. They have the original scent and the linen scent. You get 10 tablets. I like to drop these in the back of my tank in the bathroom, and it keeps the toilet smelling really good. The kitchen and pantry aisle, I love these new cans that they have. The cups look like a can. They have like an iridescent gloss finish on the outside. They come in 2 sizes. They're kind of hard to find. As soon as you see them, I would get them if you want them because they're not going to last long. I also found this King's Ford flavor booster, easy to add to the charcoal. It is sage and lime flavor. It's a 2-pound bag. They had some new placemats. These are those woven placemats that are like a kind of like a plastic feel to them. And then this one here with the buffalo plaid, that is a cloth one, and it's got the double-sided cloth. It's like a solid color on the back. The charger plates, they had the gold wood grain and then the light gray wood grain. Then I found these Home Bright espresso machine and coffee descaling solution. I thought that was neat. It's a 13.5 fluid ounce bottle. It says it works with all the top brands to remove scale buildup and clean the openings. Some new silicone ice cube maker things here. So we've got these in a couple different sizes. They have purple, blue, and red, I believe, are all the colors. And they have a bunch of different sizes and designs. It says drink home, but you could also use this for like candy making. They would work really well for that as well. I thought that was kind of neat that they had those for $1.25 in all the different sizes. The party supplies, I finally found the shrink wrap with the pull bow. It has been forever since Dollar Tree has carried this, at least around here. I have not been able to find these for at least 2 years. They have the regular basket bags as well, but I was excited to see the shrink bags. There's also the extra large giant gift bags. I love the smiley faces with kind of the tie-dye look to them, the emoji faces. They have the stripes, which is really pretty, and then some that are floral pattern. We've also got the blue background with all the different color stars. And then these party hats are actually balloon holders. There's a hard plastic cone inside with that plastic loop that comes up through the top, and then the party hat that wraps around it. They have them in red, gold, silver, blue, pink, and the iridescent white. And here's what it looks like. I'll show you guys in a second here what it looks like at the bottom. So it's just a large plastic cone, so it actually helps it to hold its shape all the way to the top. And then it's filled with like sand or something like that. Then we've got the confetti with the unicorns, matches all the new unicorn decorations. I love these new metallic candles that they have out, and the curly Q party candles. They have the solid pink, or like the couple different tones of pink, the blue, mint, green, and white, or the red, yellow, blue, and orange. They also have these large see-through signs that say happy birthday. They're like a clear plastic with suction cups. You can put them on a window. This one that says happy birthday. I love these new balloon hoops. It's 15.5 inches when it's all put together around. I'm actually going to put one together and show you guys next week. Now for the seasonal items, we've got these like snack containers. They're called Glitter Star gift boxes. You get 4 pieces. So this box would be all silver. They have a silver, a blue, and a red pack. You get 4 in each pack, and you just have to fold on the lines and push all the tabs in. We've also got the star balloon holders at a few more stores this week, and the red and blue votives. I love the soda can lid signs with that nostalgic kind of look on it, that vintage look that they have on them. I thought those were really pretty. Saw those at a few more stores this week. The wooden cutlery as well. You get 12 pieces, and the utensil caddies. They have them in red, white, and blue. We've got the reusable straws. Those are in a 6-pack. You get 2 blue, 2 red, and 2 white, and they form a star. The glitter foam table scatter stars, you get 20. They brought back the beaded garland in the red, white, and blue, and they have like the wooden hat. There's also the wooden tag that says USA. Along with the headbands I showed like a week or so ago, they have the scrunchies with the ribbon and the red, white, and blue, which is really pretty. Some more sunglasses. They have the novelty heart glasses that are frameless. And then there's also the star light up sunglasses. We have the LED decor. They have the hat, the star, and those are the battery operated tea light candles. And then we've got some flowers. They have the red, white, and blue striped flowers with the blue stars. Bunch of different flowers are just a solid color of the red, white, and blue. I love the ones that have the glitter or the sequence stars kind of mixed in with a little bit of glitter on the petals. I thought those are really pretty, but I love the stars when they add those into the flowers. I think those are really cute. Kind of just adds a little bit to the flowers. Be great for a wreath. They have the branches, the glitter branches in red, white, and blue. What I really like this year is the white ones. They have the red and blue kind of like sparkly sequins on them. I thought those are really pretty. Now for the toys and games, I found some more new makeup blocks, which are kind of like Lego sets. They have birds. There's like a parrot. I believe this is a cardinal. I like that they have them sitting like up on a tree. They have a woodpecker. And I'm not really sure what this one's supposed to be, but it's so cute. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus section, which is anywhere from $1.50 to $7. They have the folding desk mount. It is $5. It says it's for phones and tablets, and you can turn it so it will hold either direction. We've also got the Fisher lightning cables in 4 feet for $5 with the nylon braid. The Toy Box stunt vehicles. These actually come in red, blue, and green. I only saw the red and green. It says it lights up. Those are $5 each. It spins, lights up, and has sound. They had some new shoes. They have these new camouflage shoes, a couple different sizes. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Again, don't forget to subscribe or check your subscription to make sure you get to see all the videos that we put out. Please hit that thumbs up to like the video. That would help me out a lot. And if you could hit that little arrow with the share button, that also would help. Thank you guys so very much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you back here on Tuesday. Thanks for watching.